Thank you.
Andy Blackwood shows us around Habitat for Humanity's Restored location just outside of Charleston, West Virginia. Here they sell donated items to raise money to build Habitat for Humanity homes.
Something like this, somebody may come in and not like the artwork, but like the frame.
Donations are pouring in, but they're running out of room. So they're expanding right next door, thanks to the hard work and skills of students at the Charleston Job Corps Center.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited.
Why do you want it?
What do I want it? So we can fill it up with more fabulous donations from the Putnam community.
Have you seen the Restore on the other side?
Yeah, I actually have.
These carpentry and painting students are serving and learning.
This is amazing work. 3 days ago, this was office space. I'm Andy Blackwood.
Zach Gray.
Zach, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Hands-on activities, real-world activities that prepare them for career and other options, I think is just an amazing opportunity for them. Once you're through the Job Corps program, or do you plan to go into carpentry?
Andy, who's the CEO of this Habitat for Humanity, is a big supporter of Job Corps and its mission to prepare young people for the job market and for life.
How long have you been in the program?
Since March, so about 7-8 months.
Okay. We hear all the time in the news that we need folks ready and prepared to enter the trades. It's a very strong labor market right now, and so these students and the experience they get through the Job Corps program is just going to prepare them well to enter into the workforce and then to be able to provide for themselves.